Dada and I'm in Year 8. Today we are in BI Science Lab, where I will take you through an experiment on proving that the iron we eat is the same metallic iron that we see every day on cars and in metallic substances. The only difference is that the iron we eat is in very minute quantities. Now I'm going to walk you through the experiment. Over here we have some basic cereal items like cornflakes and pillows. Now over here we have some delicious plantains. But because of time, I'll only be able to use the plantains which contain an appreciable amount of iron. Over here we have a blender, which is going to serve as an aid to break down the food. And once the food is broken down, we'll place them in this Ziploc bag. Now the whole experiment is to prove that the iron that we ingest is the same as the iron we see on cars and other metallic substances. So iron in itself is magnetic. So this magnet will help attract the iron in the food to align them to prove that the iron we eat is the same metallic iron we see. And now we're going to cut up this finger of plantain with this one. Now this plantain in particular is really soft, so it'll be really good for this experiment because it's ripe, soft, and to me it looks so delicious. Now if not for this experiment, I would have cut up this plantain and I would have eaten it by myself. So now we'll blend it and we'll test it. So now we're going to pour this mixture into the Ziploc bag. Quite heavy actually. This side. Okay, now very slowly and carefully pour this in. And we're good. Okay. Now, again, the aim of this experiment was to prove that there is metals in the food that we eat. So now, shake the bag a little, mix it up. Magnet. Now we're trying to get the magnetic particles in the food to, come out. So the magnets. Now, if you look closely, some of the particles are starting to be attracted by the magnets and are aligning with it. Okay, now if you look closely, you see some black particles forming at the top. These are our pieces of iron. Yes. We can conclude that our experiment was a success. From the World Health Organization, the average requirement for iron intake is 0.65 milligrams per day, although it varies from body size to body size. It's an important part of our system because it helps carry oxygen from the lung to various body tissues. Also, iron serves as a transport medium for electrons within cells. Lastly, but definitely not least, iron is an integrated part of important enzymes in various body tissues. My name is Dada and thanks again